What is your attitude towards period? Are you surprised by the topic? Or has no one asked you about it and so you have never thought about it? Hello, I am Dr. Priya and welcome to my channel wherein we are going to experience new learnings together. So, let us discuss what is your attitude towards period. According to me, basically we have formed three different types of attitudes towards period. The first one is we have equated periods to a problem. Let me give you my example. When I had my periods for the first time, I remember my mom used to say this. It is so difficult to be a girl. A girl has to go through a difficult time. There are so many problems for a girl. She has to go through the terrible misery of the periods. And so this impacted me so much so that I developed this attitude that period means problems. Now the second attitude is period meaning restriction. How many of you feel this? Let me give you an example. Imagine you have planned to go on a trek with your friends and this has been your dream come true. You have been planning this since so many months and now is the time. Suddenly in the morning you get up and you see a bright red spot on your panty. You are so devastated. You feel as if your life is going to come to an end because you have this feeling that the period is going to restrict you to complete the trek. Isn't that so? Let us see another example. You have an important meeting in your office and you have been preparing for it for the past so many days. Suddenly, you get up in the morning and you have a severe cramp in your abdomen and you almost vomit because of the pain. You know that periods are here. You are really disturbed because you have that mentality that I will not be able to give my 100% or I will not be efficient enough because I am having my periods. Isn't it true? So, we have formed this attitude that period means restriction. Now, the third attitude, which is really very sad but it is true, that is period meaning impurity. Now, let me tell you an example. Suppose I am going for a religious function or what we call it as puja or hardi kunku and I tell my neighbor, come on, let's go for the religious occasion. And she says, oh no, I can't come. Why? Because she is having her periods. You must have seen many women and girls not entering a temple, not performing a puja because they are having their periods. Why is this attitude? This is because we have related periods to something that is impure. Either the woman is impure during that time or the bleeding is impure. I have seen in many homes the girl has to sit in one corner or she's been given a separate plate and a glass. So this is the third attitude, that is bleeding is impure or the woman is impure. So I want you to think about this. What is your attitude towards period? You can do one task. Even if you're a girl or a boy, think about periods and think of all the adjectives that come to your mind when you think of periods. Is it pain? Is it discomfort? Is it problem? Is it restriction? What is it? That is your attitude towards periods. And I am sure these are not positive adjectives. You won't feel wow periods or I am so happy to have my periods. They are all the negative adjectives and that has formed our attitude towards the period. So think about it. All the girls, all the guys, what is your attitude towards periods? So is it the first one, that is period is a problem? The second one, period means restriction? Or the third one, period is impure? Let us discuss in my next video how to overcome these attitudes. I will tell you how we can change the attitude towards periods by the 4A method. And why is it so important to change this attitude? Because it is going to change our perspective towards women, towards womanhood, and towards periods. So, all the girls and women, all the guys and men, if you want really to change your attitude, do watch my next video. Because if you care for the woman inside you, or for the guys, if you care for the woman in your life, you have to change this attitude towards period. Let us meet in my next video with some new learnings. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching and do comment in the comment box what is your attitude towards periods.